Didn't sleep that well last night, still got up the same. Coffee tastes a little off, nothing feels the same. People moving way too fast, you're a step behind. Trying just to keep it up with a crowd in mind. You don't need to fix it, you don't need to try. Not every kind of feeling needs a reason why. It's okay today, if you feel this way. You don't have to hide it, you don't have to stay. It's okay today, let it fade away. Even if it lingers, it'll pass someday. Didn't check your messages, left them all unread. Every little expectation sitting in your head. You don't have to answer, you don't have to move. Sometimes doing nothing is enough for you. You can let it breathe now, you can let it stay. Not everything you're feeling needs to go away. It's okay today, if you feel this way. You don't have to hide it, you don't have to stay. It's okay today, let it fade away. Even if it lingers, it'll pass someday. It doesn't have to make sense, it doesn't have to last. Every kind of feeling is just passing past. It's okay today, you're already here. Every little moment now makes it all more clear. It's okay today, nothing disappears. Every step you're taking now means you're still here.